AI medical billing, the future of smarter patient payments. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare, but its greatest impact may not be where you think. It's not replacing billing teams. It's helping them work smarter. By combining intelligent automation, predictive workflows, and connected patient engagement, AI is helping healthcare organizations reduce administrative burden, improve collections, and create a faster, more convenient patient billing experience. What is AI medical billing? AI medical billing goes far beyond automating repetitive tasks. It uses intelligent workflows, predictive insights, and data-driven decision-making to improve every stage of the revenue cycle, from claims management and patient communication to payments and collections. Instead of spending valuable time chasing payments and managing manual processes, billing teams can focus on higher-value work while technology helps streamline the patient financial journey. Where the billing journey breaks down. The biggest payment challenge isn't always the balance, it's the experience. Patients often receive unexpected bills without knowing what insurance covered. When bills arrive, limited options and unanswered questions often result in delays. Statements may be confusing. Questions go unanswered. Payment options are limited. And every extra step creates billing friction that delays payments and increases administrative work. In fact, research shows that nearly 80% of outstanding patient balances result from patients not fully understanding their medical bills. The BillFlash difference. BillFlash helps healthcare organizations eliminate that friction with intelligent, automated patient billing workflows designed to improve every step of the payment experience. Start engaging patients earlier with pre-bill, allowing patients to view and pay the cost of the appointment before their visit. Automatically deliver eBills via text and email, alongside professionally printed mailed statements with built-in QR codes that take patients directly to a secure payment portal for quick online payment. Keep payments top of mind with pay reminders. Automated text and emails are sent on a scheduled cadence, reminding patients of their financial responsibility, and stop as soon as a balance is paid, eliminating unnecessary follow-up while reducing inbound phone calls. Give patients the flexibility to pay their way with secure online automated payment solutions such as AutoPay, PlanPay, and FlexPay financing. Need more support? BillFlash Revenue Cycle Management combines experienced billing specialists with intelligent workflows to improve claim accuracy, reduce denials, optimize reimbursement, and strengthen financial performance. When balances become overdue, Integrated Collection Services automatically identifies eligible accounts during routine billing file reviews, helping practices recover more revenue while maintaining complete visibility and control, all within the same connected platform. The future of medical billing isn't about replacing people, it's about empowering them with smarter technology. BillFlash combines intelligent automation, connected workflows, patient-friendly payment solutions, and end-to-end revenue cycle management to help healthcare organizations reduce billing friction, accelerate collections, and deliver a better patient financial experience. Schedule a personalized demo today and discover how BillFlash can help your organization modernize patient billing, simplify revenue cycle management, and get paid faster with one connected platform. Learn more at BillFlash.com.